Here we are with Jim Bob's Jobs. The rear light used to fasten on through those little holes on some little, these plastic bits. You can see that's broken. It used to be just attached part of the moulding there, and they both break off. And it's 200 quid for a rear light. So what I've done, I've scuffed them all the remnants down, and then I've made up myself a little plate with riv nuts in. Haven't stamped it KTM yet, and then that goes in here. Like so. So it's mounted just the same. And then I will, the reason it's got all the little holes in there is because that will be glued to that. Job's a good one. And then got some M8 bolts to put in there. Holds it all on, just the same. Perfect.